Today, I express my opinion about India make bridge between East and West. East means Russia and China, and West means America and European countries. This is the difference opinion between East and West. This is the world level famous. That is, West want to make superpower and East want to make superpower. If I combine Russia and China economy and America economy, then America also ahead because America has $30 trillion economy, China has $17 trillion economy, and Russia almost $3 trillion economy. What it means America ahead, far ahead. But here not I am talking about economy, I am talking power, weapon power. Russia ahead from United States. India in 1950s, since India independent, and 1957 when Russia launched first satellite to Sputnik first to space. Then after 1 year, 1958, United States also launched satellite, and competition began as the Earth level and in the space exploration. America always want to beat Russia in technology, but this never happened. Sometimes he gets success, like he disintegrate geographical land, and many country separate from the Russia, Soviet Union, and this time called Commonwealth of Independent State. This is the policy of Western country to stop, to force to Russia not grow. European country always afraid from Russia, that Russia attack on the European country and occupied it. And this is the ally in a group. Therefore, this European country come together and form a group against Russia, and this is called European Union. And this country make a parliament, make a market, and make a commissions, European commissions, and just little country, small country make a large market, make a large parliament to against Russia, means Soviet Union that time, and NATO come together. NATO has 32 countries and European Union has 28 countries. NATO is the political and military organizations against Soviet Union, in present time Russia. What is the role of India? India make a role between make bridge between NATO and Russia. India make bridge between Western country and Eastern country. And Western country always say we have a democracy, and Eastern country have not democracy. In global South, India is the only biggest country that India has a democracy. Then European country and America love India as a democratic country, but European country and NATO country think that Russia and China is the not democratic, and this is the communist administration there. This is my opinion. India make bridge between communist administrations and democratic administrations. India also is the democratic country. India, this purpose, India go to Western way and make relations as a democratic purpose, and India. But in this time, current scenario, democratic country like United States impose tariff to stop Russia, and India imposed tariff by Donald Trump, and he want to stop Russia. He think that India help Russia economy. Therefore, he imposed tariff on India and China. This is my opinion that India required energy. Therefore, India where going? India has the largest population of the world. Then India want to energy. India need biogas. India need petroleum. India need food. India need minerals. Where India buy? Where India purchase? Where only one country is the Russia is the largest producer of many minerals, many natural gases, and this is the and India produce India many grains like wheat, rice, and many other grains, and India hub of agriculture. India hub of cotton production. India hub of pharmaceuticals. Then where India export it? If you ban an Indian export in United States and European country, then America is the largest trade partner of India in the world. But America has stopped India export, then India divert our export to China and Russia. This is the India necessary. This is the compulsory that India search new market. And India also always has one purpose: peaceful trade in the world, make good relations, and every country will prosperous and develop. And this is the India purpose. India always make bridge between two sides like Eastern and Western. Eastern country has many communist administration, and Western country has democracy like India. This is my opinion that India always make bridge between these two different sides.